515G.
515G.
513.
513. What's the lift? What's TDC lift? What's the overall lift on the panhead? We don't know. Unknown. Let's figure that out. His heads. So we got rid of a couple sets. This used to be full of heads. I'll just take up more on the floor to do that.
Do we need it?
What's those?
Valves.
Yeah, let me see what you got. Ooh, you got valve springs.
Springs, valves.
Crane. Kibble. Where'd that go?
Right there.
Doesn't fit. Too big. Got two of them though. What else we got in here? Another valve. It says keepers? Keepers. Okay, we don't need the rest of that now. Okay, so there's some collars. Good. So we got bottom collars. Got keepers. 2 valves. 4 valves. Okay, where's your stock collars? The uppers.
In the obvious.
Get rid of them?
No, they're at home.
Okay, we got top collars. So we put new collars on the top?
Sure.
That's one thing's missing. Got bottoms, keepers, no collars. Okay, let's find some collars for you. Okay, we gotta figure out what this cam is. We're gonna put some new studs in there because we ain't got none. But these don't fit your bike. These fit this guy's bike. We still need some studs for your bike. Which one of these is yours? The bad set or the good set? Must be the bad set. Appears we have an issue over here. Oh, we gotta do some welding too, don't we? Are we fixing that? Where's your head gasket? Probably right on the gasket surface. And it looks like the seat is not in there. It's like a nice hole, so why is the seat not in there? Easy when STD screws up a seat, it looks like crap. Easy to just leave it in there sideways. So maybe they cut it too big. We'll have to figure out what they did wrong. That's why we have these heads. They're reject heads. Can't buy good heads anymore. And this one here has the oil hole in it issue that we didn't fix yet. See that hole right there?
Mm-hmm.
We have an oil-cooled motor. It's like a new twin cam M8,
right.
Oil-cooled. So we got to sleeve this hole here also. So we got to sleeve that one. We got to fit a seat over there. We got to weld up that bad spot. We got to find some studs. Do you have any studs?
Yeah, I've got them. I removed them all but one. Could not get one of them.
What's wrong with this motor? These are used heads. Says the valve seal on its used head. My guess is it has the same issue as all of them has. Right there. Another hole. Got two to do. Those are my heads, so they're good. Those are Texas head, they're good. They're Harley heads. Chevrolet we don't care about. And these polished ones have already been polished, so they must be good.
I hope so.
Looks like it's already been sleeved. Somebody has stuffed a tube in it already. I don't know where it busts through on that one. Big spark plug hole in there. Here, hold that. Where's the spot where it busts through that? Okay, right in the center, right where that spark plug is where it busts through. So these are different heads because they're made differently.
Dual plug.
These are shovel head.
But dual plug too.
Yeah, they're shovel edge panhead stuff, so they got different angles they use. So these have 2-volt patterns. Pan shovel, shovel exhaust, shovel intake, panhead intake, shovel panhead exhaust, panhead intake. So they say this is the same height as this. You can cut this to make it look like this if you want to. That's what they said. Yeah, okay, whatever. I think somebody already cut it out here though, so
Yeah.
might be a little thinner.
Right.
And obviously that's different.
Yeah.
Goes this way, not this way. This does not flow very well. Like this goes straight in and out. Okay, so these two here we need to work on for oil leaks. And this one here is good. So this is a good set of heads. Assuming there's nothing else wrong I didn't see. So I'm assuming that's a good pair. Okay, so what's wrong with this one? This one's a seat problem,
Yeah.
right? Okay, this one gotta fix the seat on it.
See, and then
Okay, so we need to go figure out the seat issue on this. So let's take that over the head machine. We'll figure that out. These need to find some tubes, so I gotta see about if I get more tube material. I use a piece of thin wall stainless tubing to fix that problem. Grab that cam box. We're gonna have to figure out the cam numbers.
I just poured it up.
More heads to do. A stack of heads everywhere to do. Ooh, there's more heads over there. There's more of them. Those are my race bike heads. They go up here. Yeah, race bike heads. They're really screwed up. All right, caliper. This one right here. Good one. What'd you find?
Installation instructions.
All up there about real hard numbers. Okay, there we go. Numbers. What kind of motor is this?
Stock 25.
What cam you got?
515G.
515?
513.
13? It's on this list. $10, $20, 14. Is it a 14?
No, it's a 15.
13. I don't have a 13. I got a 14. What kind of junk ass instructions are these? It's hard to get good at. I think S&S have instructions for the cam when they put it in the box. Alright. Harley book.
It's not in here either.
It's on your phone?
No.
Here. It's in this book?
Quite possibly.
What's up?
It's the 513.
What are these?
The lifts.
236, 238, 472 lift, 163, 187. So this is made for a panhead, so I'm assuming that's real world numbers. You don't have to back figure anything. So grab me a pin over there somewhere on the board. Over there are the work orders. Work orders. There you go. Okay, so what number you got?
515G, and we have
472. 472. TD lifts. Right here. 163, 187. 163, 187. Why is the exhaust so much more? Look at this pin. Glow in the dark piece of crap.
it's your fancy pen. It says Tatro machine on it.
I didn't buy it. They sent it to me. They're trying to make me buy more of these. What's the market value of a glow-in-the-dark Tatro pen? Ooh, look at that. Good reception. I like it where it doesn't glow in the dark. Okay, what duration you got?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm looking over there.
Yeah, don't look at that.
Wouldn't help me. 236, 238 degrees. That is all the pertinent information that we care about. You have overall duration, so we know how crappy it'll run. We have the total lift, and we have the TD lifts. TD lift determines how much valves and contact we're going to have. Being a crappy ass lifting cam like that, you got plenty of room. That's terrible. So 472. So where's a 513? Where did they make that from? I thought they were using the Evo grinds. That was the excuse why they couldn't sell the cams anymore. 14 is your shovel head grind. Super turd. There's no 513 anymore. So it was probably a grind that they made before these grinds, or they made it special for this retro kit they made. Unknown. All we know, get the number we want right there.
Perfect.
Those instructions suck. Did you read them all so we know what we're doing?
No.
We want to make no mistakes now.
Exactly.
Very important we don't make any mistakes. Put together wrong or do something stupid like turn the throttle on or something. Okay. I think I'm supposed to work on these. Oh, damn, the things are heavy. Tomorrow's project. Oh, this is a 1961 head. I think you're supposed to go in deeper than that. Ooh,
It's cracked.
that's why they stopped. That's the one that's coming out, isn't it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So evidently, when they were beating the seat in the head, they went a little too deep and they split the guide wide open. And they hit it so hard they shoved it back out the hole. So that was a good reason to stop.
Mm-hmm.
Throw this head in a junk pile. So what kind of actual clearance do we have in here? 2145. 2146. It's an odd size. Where'd you get that weird ass number from? 2 1/8 is a normal number. Look what I found. $232. I think that's oversized. 30. I think that's your problem there, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
29. $36. What size is that? 46, wasn't it? Remember?
No.
Forgot. Play back the video. Ooh, 63. We have a winner. With or without
Oh,
the
the
rust.
joint, right?
It's a pair.
Yeah.
Where these came from. Wow. Next problem. Yeah, that'll work. 750. Stock head up. $700. It's close. We're gonna pour that out anyway. You know what the problem is though, don't you? What's the chance of having that thing come up correctly on the center line and cut exactly in the same spot? You know what the chance of that's going to be?
Slim.
Slim to none. 46 needs to go in at 50. It's 62. Yeah. 17 thou. You ain't turning it down because you're going to get nowhere near that kind of a finish. That'd be a hell of a press fit.
Yeah.
That might split too here if you put it that tight.
Right.
Thinking 20,000 might be too much. That's not quite 20. Close. 46. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's not that much. It's only 15.
A couple extra times we get it in there.
This one. Same diameter, 67. 64 without the plastic. 700, that's good. There we go. Probably make that work. 92.
Mm-hmm.
Deep depth looks okay. 7/16 then. Yep. That'll probably work. As long as the valve guide goes in pretty close to that same dimension, we should be able to make that work. So somewhere I had a bunch of seats they gave me when I bought all these junk heads. I got some gift package. Got a bunch of parts in it. So we gotta look around, see what I can dig up. Be back.